अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक वेरी इजी चिकन करी बना रहे हैं। क्रीमी इंडियन चिकन करी ग्रेवी। I've used ground almonds for this, so it's really rich. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। I've taken 750 grams of chicken. I've cleaned, washed and cut it into curry-sized pieces and kept aside. Now take a wide mouthed and a deep pan. इसमें आप 1 ladle oil ऐड करिए. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 onions finely sliced and saute till golden brown. Remove to a plate and keep aside. Allow it to cool and then grind to a paste. To the remaining oil, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then add the puree of 2 tomatoes. Keep sauteing till the oil leaves the sides. Now let's add the spice powders. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder. Blend everything together and saute till the oil leaves the sides. Now add 1 cup of beaten curd. Mix well till it blends with the tomato and the fat from the yogurt breaks to the top. If you can see the fat breaking to the top, then add the chicken. I've taken 750 grams of chicken. Add the chicken and saute for 5 minutes on low to medium flame. And then cover and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. I have not added any water as yet. Meanwhile, the onions have cooled. I'm going to grind them to a paste. Keep that aside. Add the juice of 1 lemon to the gravy. Keep stirring in between. I've not added any water. Check after 5 minutes. Then add 1 glass of water. Also add a few chopped coriander leaves. Cover and let it boil on medium. When the chicken is almost done, add the paste of 10 to 12 almonds ground to a paste. Also add 2 teaspoons of ghee, a pinch of saffron and the ground onion. Mix well and let it cook on low to medium flame for another 5 minutes. Garnish with more coriander leaves. Creamy chicken curry is now ready to serve. Goes very well with rice and rotis. Can serve it on a festive occasion as well or just for dinner or lunch. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.